Namaste. This meditation gently opens the heart, inviting compassion, warmth, and kindness towards yourself and others. I'd like to invite you to make yourself comfortable and close your eyes or have a downward gaze. And just take a slow breath in through the nostrils, allowing yourself to relax and preparing for 6 rounds of breath work that will help calm the mind and keep it a little bit more focused. We're going to do the 4-7-8 breathing technique, where we inhale for the count of 4, hold the breath for the count of 7 seconds, and then exhale for the count of 8. You're welcome to breathe in and out from the nostrils or exhale out from the mouth or the nostrils. So when you're ready, inhale, hold your breath, exhale, inhale, hold, 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 exhale, breathe normally and naturally, noticing how you feel after the breath work. I'd like to invite you now to bring your attention to the center of your chest and imagine a luminous emerald light, soft and radiant, like a polished emerald jewel, expanding with each breath in and releasing love with each breath out. And if you can, allow any tightness around the heart to soften. As we repeat these affirmations, you're welcome to place your hand on your heart center and repeat in your mind or out aloud. May I be kind to myself. May I live with compassion. May my heart remain open and at peace. May I be kind to myself. May I live with compassion. May my heart remain open and at peace. Let the breath move gently through your heart center and travel throughout the rest of your body, filling it with this energy of compassion, love, tenderness, and acceptance. When the heart softens, our truth becomes easier to express from the throat chakra, also known as the Vishuddha chakra. Join the next meditation to express your truth. Namaste.